Welcome to Extreme Web Designs. This is Rocky. This video will serve as an introduction to Camtasia 9. So we will get to know about a bit of history of Camtasia 9, its features, and more. So let's get started. So what exactly is Camtasia 9? Camtasia 9 is an amazing software that is used to record screencasts and videos and produce professional-looking, high-quality videos by means of adding special effects, music, annotations, etc. Camtasia was developed by TechSmith. It features a built-in screen recorder that lets you capture the screen and whatever activities are being performed on the screen. It also features a video file editor. This means that you can actually record a video and then edit it as needed. It also provides a direct recording plugin to Microsoft PowerPoint. This means that whenever you're running a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, you can record the slideshow along with the voice narration on top of that. Earlier versions of Camtasia were referred to as Camtasia Studio. So in this context, the earlier version of Camtasia was known as Camtasia Studio 8. But in the current version of the software, the word studio was dropped from the phrase Camtasia Studio. So from now on, the software would be named as Camtasia with the version number as a suffix. This is why the current version of the software is called Camtasia 9. The future version of this software would most likely be called as Camtasia 10. So there is a possibility that you might come across tutorials named as Camtasia Studio 8 tutorials, but when it comes to Camtasia 9, you might see the name as Camtasia 9 as opposed to Camtasia Studio 9. But don't get confused, as both the names point to the same software. It's just that they are different in versions. So now let us see how the previous version of Camtasia, which is Camtasia Studio 8, looked in terms of the UI, which is the user interface, and then we will compare it with the current version of the UI. So here is a screenshot of Camtasia Studio 8. As we can see here, Camtasia Studio 8 looked okay as per the standards prevalent at that point of time. There were issues that needed to be fixed, and based on the feedback received from the community, TechSmith upgraded the software to Camtasia 9 after revamping the UI and implementing new features to enhance the software. So let's check out how the new version of Camtasia looks. As we can see here, Camtasia 9 looks absolutely stunning and really beautiful. It is easy to use, user-friendly, and intuitive. This goes to show that TechSmith team has really put great effort in revamping the entire software. As I have used Camtasia Studio 8 in the past, and as I'm currently using Camtasia 9, I must say that I find Camtasia 9 very easy to use, it's fun, and saves me a lot of time in creating professional looking videos. So let us see how the rendering and deployment takes place in Camtasia 9. All the recordings are saved in TREC format. This TREC format is TechSmith's proprietary format and is used to save the recordings. Project files are saved in TSC-PRJ format, which stands for TechSmith Project format. This project file can consist of all the elements that were used in the creation of the video. So this can contain your audio files, video files, images, and any other elements that are used to create the video. Camtasia 9 shines in the fact that any project created on any platform can be shared with any other user on a different platform. So If you are a Windows user and you are working on a project and you would like to share the project file with another user who is working on Mac, then you will be able to do so by simply exporting your project file as a zip file and then sending it over to the other user. Now, the other user on the other platform can simply import your zip file and start his work on it. And if any Mac user wants to share their file with a Windows-based user, they can pretty much follow a similar process. Using Camtasia 9, the videos can be produced as standalone videos or uploaded to social media platforms such as YouTube directly from within Camtasia 9. So let's look at the 3 basic steps for creating awesome videos. The first step is to record your own audio or video. If you already have an existing media such as an audio file or a video file, you can import that within the Camtasia project and work with that. The second step is to edit the video as you see fit, which means that you can add annotations, callouts, animations, visual effects, and a lot more. You can do this on an iterative basis to make sure that you achieve the results that you are after. The third and the last step is to create the video by rendering it, or you can choose to publish the video to social media websites such as YouTube directly from within Camtasia 9. Anything and everything that you wish to do within Camtasia 9 falls within the scope of these 3 steps. So let's look at the features offered by Camtasia 9. Screen recorder. It has a screen recorder that lets you record any part of the desktop screen and any activities that are being performed. In case of a Mac user, the iOS screen can be recorded. Media. We can import any type of media that we need, such as images, audio, and video. The video files could be up to 4K resolution. So this means that you can easily work with high definition videos to produce awesome looking videos. Annotations. You can enhance the look and feel of your videos and make them look even more professional by adding annotations such as arrows, callouts, shapes, and more. Webcam. Camtasia 9 lets you use your webcam so that you can share yourself with your audience and the audience can relate to you in a better fashion. So if you're a teacher who is keen on making educational videos, then you might find this feature to be very useful. Multi-track timeline. Camtasia 9 features the timeline which contains multiple tracks. These multiple tracks can hold multiple media at any given time, but given that we want the editing process to be efficient and organized, we can distribute the existing elements or the media across multiple tracks. All this makes it very easy to work with and saves us a lot of time in the long run. Transitions. There are a bunch of built-in transitions in Camtasia 9. These pre-built transitions save us a lot of time as they just need to be dragged and dropped. This is very easy as compared to manually creating these effects ourselves. Animations. Camtasia 9 has pre-built animations that can be dragged and dropped onto the media. This lets you animate any part or section of your media without having to create these animations manually. This again saves us a lot of time and improve our productivity. There are different animations such as zoom, pan, scale, smart focus, and a lot more. You can also create custom animation yourself if needed. Audio effects. You can enhance your videos by adding audio effects to your narration, music, or recordings. There are different effects such as noise removal, volume leveling, fade in, fade out, and clip speed manipulation. Interactivity. You can now make your videos interactive by means of adding interactive elements to the video. You can add quizzes to see who is watching your videos and get an understanding of how much percentage of your video has been viewed. You can also create a poll-like quiz and have the viewers respond to that. This will help you in collecting data as you see fit and improve your services to your target audience. Voice narration. You can now add voice narration or a voice recording separately and play it over a video recording of your choice. This is a really great way of adding context to what you are showing on the screen. Visual effects. There are a bunch of visual effects available in Camtasia 9. Some of them are colorize, removing a color, interactive hotspots, variation of clip speed, and more. Green screen. To customize your videos and make them professional looking even further, the green screen feature can be taken advantage of. This basically lets you remove the green screen background color or any other color of your liking and replace it with any other replacement color. Camtasia 9 has a bunch of free assets available at your disposal. Animated backgrounds. There are a bunch of animated backgrounds that you can choose from. This will help you add that professional look to enhance the visual appeal of your videos even further. Icons. There are royalty-free icons that you can use right away in your project. You can also choose to import your own icons as you see fit. Music tracks. There are different types of music tracks available, so you might end up finding something useful for your own project. Motion graphics. You can instantly add animated motion graphics into your projects. You can add intro clips, outro clips, lower 1/3 animations, and more to make your videos look even better. There are different types of videos that can be created with Camtasia 9. Promotional videos. You can create a promotional video very easily to talk about your services, product, company, or any other item of interest. This will help in attracting new visitors and drive traffic to your website, and this can result in conversions, leading your visitors to become a customer of your services. Tutorial videos. It is very easy to create tutorial videos using Camtasia 9. You can create a single episode or an entire series of episodes as you see fit. Educational videos. You can create high-quality educational videos, make them interactive and engaging to get the most value. If you are a teacher, then you will find Camtasia 9 as an excellent tool to cater to the needs of providing high-quality lessons to your students. YouTube videos. If you are a YouTuber or aspiring to become one, then look no further. You can easily leverage the inbuilt tools that Camtasia 9 offers to rapidly create the videos that cater to the needs of your audience and also upload them to YouTube right from within the software. Camtasia 9 is available in 2 platforms. They are Windows and Mac. As mentioned earlier, projects that were created by a Windows user can be shared with a Mac user and vice versa very easily. This means that video editing professionals can choose to work with Camtasia 9 on their existing platform without the need to switch to another platform. This helps increase the productivity and is a very sweet deal, in my opinion. So, if you have found the introduction to be useful, exciting, and can't wait to try Camtasia 9, you can do so risk-free now. You can try Camtasia 9 free for 30 days. I'm going to share a link in the description box below so that you can visit and download a trial version of Camtasia 9 for free. My suggestion is to download this trial version and evaluate it free for 30 days by playing around with the software. To find out if Camtasia 9 will be a right fit for you or not, the best approach would be to create sample test projects with it, import and export different media, apply transitions, behaviors, special effects, and use as many features as possible to get a feel of how the software works and what it can do for you. If at the end of 30 days you feel that Camtasia 9 is the right tool for you, then you may purchase the license code by clicking on the Purchase Camtasia option located under the Help menu within the Camtasia 9 interface. Within your trial period, or even after your trial period is over, if you come across any issues or questions, you can ask me the same by leaving a comment, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. With that said, for reference, you can find the link to download and evaluate Camtasia 9 free for 30 days in the description box below. To summarize, that covers the introduction to Camtasia 9. Good luck and happy video editing! If you found this video to be helpful, please feel free to hit the like button, leave a comment, share it on social media, and subscribe to the channel. Soon after you subscribe, make sure to tap the bell icon located right next to the subscribe button to receive all future updates. Thanks for watching.